What's going on today, you guys? So today I want to talk to you a little bit about the differences between the KRK near field studio monitors and the KRK mid field studio monitors. If you guys don't know about KRK Systems began manufacturing their studio monitors back in about 2003. Those are the Generation 1 KRKs. We are currently in 2020 and you are looking at the KRK 8 G4s. The 8 stands for 8-inch and the G4 stands for Generation 4, of course. KRK has come a long way in terms of overall design, overall quality, overall sound, and these are really, really wonderful, high-quality studio monitors, yet extremely budget-friendly, which is great for people who are producing at home, mixing at home, etc. Another thing is when you go on the KRK website and you start looking at the ROKIT studio monitors, you'll see that there are 3 choices for the near field studio monitors and 1 choice for mid field. And a lot of people are, have questions on what is the difference between near and mid. And this goes beyond KRK. This goes into just the studio monitor realm in general. You'll find that there are many different manufacturers who manufacture both near and mid field. So when you're browsing on the website, you'll see these terms, and really this just refers to the listening configuration that a monitor is designed for. Near field, such as the KRK Rokit 5s, 7, and 8s, those are good for a really close listening distance, while midfield is designed to carry the sound accurately over a greater distance. There are also far field speakers, but I don't believe that KRK manufactures any of those. Now, when you're using a compact design and relatively small studio monitors, near-field monitors are probably the best, and they're really good for most studio applications because they allow you to primarily hear the sound coming directly from your studio monitors, rather than the sound reflecting off of walls, the ceiling, etc. So they're really great. They give you an honest representation of your music. They're typically positioned directly in front of you and angled just a bit inward. And as you can see right here, I kind of have them set up in that way too, just in front of my screen, angled towards me. And that way your head forms the point of equilateral triangle between the 2 monitor enclosures. The optimal listening position is typically referred to as the sweet spot, which is right here. So these have, the sweet spot. If I were to sit right here and listen to them, I would be in the near field monitor sweet spot. Now, of course, if you have a larger room or a larger studio where the speakers need to be positioned further away, midfield monitors will be better, and I highly recommend looking at the ROKIT 10-3s. They're really solid midfield monitors. They're a lot larger, and they can really give you the proper sound from further away, much better than a lot of the near field ones. Do keep in mind that if you go for midfield monitoring, the room that you're working in should be acoustically treated. It's the only way that you're going to get accurate audio representation from your studio monitors. So, I wouldn't really recommend getting the midfields unless you have a room that you've treated, that's been professionally treated, or anything of the like. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about differences between near and midfield studio monitors, or if you have any insights into which ones you like when it comes to the KRK Rokits, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, you guys, take it easy.